Okay, so that looks like first color change. It is not stopping, it's continuing on automatically onto the second color change. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you another feature here. Just going to stop the machine right at the moment. So this feature here, this button is got an A with 2 arrows. What this is going to do is automatically change colors on each color change and automatically start. So if I press this once, I have 1 arrow. So now it's going to automatically change colors for me, but it's going to stop at each color change. So after it finishes this second color change, the machine will stop at that next color change. So I'll go ahead and start it up. Okay, so that's that second color change. It automatically changed to 3, and as you can see, the machine did not continue on. It actually stopped. So I think this is the feature you kind of want. So this is what you can do, as I explained. You can change that from automatic color change sequence and starting automatically to just stopping at each color change. So if I wanted to continue on at this point, all I do is come back in and start it up, and now it will continue on to the next color. There you go. 3 color change, stop. So this will stop at each color change. I'm not sure why you want stops there, but you can turn that feature on to make it stop at each color change. So I mean, this isn't an applique design, but this would be used more for applique, so you could bring in your material and applique and line it up and then hit your start key. I'll go ahead and start it up for the fourth color change to tack down that applique. There you go. So it's going to stop at every color change this way. So let's say, for instance, you only wanted it to stop on the first 3 color changes. You can always go right back up to the control unit, turn this back on to the double arrows with the A, so it'll automatically just finish the whole design out that way, so it's not stopping every time. But if you want that feature, that's where it would be. 1 arrow, automatically it's going to color change to the next color until you hit start, then it will start. You can go to the next feature, which is M, which is manually. So then manually you have to tell it what needle or what color you want it to go to manually, and then manually you're going to have to hit start every time too. So to me, the nicer feature is going to be the A with 1 arrow. It's going to stop at every color change. I'm going to put it back to both arrows just to run the rest of this out, but wanted you to see the feature, how it works there. Go ahead and start this back up. It's a very large design. Alright, so I'm not going to actually record the rest of this. Go ahead and shut this down. There's the example of your color stops with that feature on the control panel. So the software and the machine is not seeing stops there, but you can turn on the stops manually to make it stop at every color change.